Still preparing for Tayega, and I gotta get those max Trax up there. Last weekend, I got the side ladder installed, and even though I have this ladder here, I thought it'd be a little bit too difficult to actually get up to the top of the van if I need to get up there, and it makes this accessible to put these max Trax on. To install this, I bought these brackets from Agile Off-Road. These will mount up to the existing rack, and the max Trax will come out at an angle there. Let's go up to the top though. So you can see here, there's Trax on this side, Trax on that side, and that is how that bracket will mount here. Those max Trax will go right here. Before we get started though, we got to move a couple things out of the way. We got to take the back bracket off that houses the parking light into this bracket so that we can get bolts slid into here. We need one bolt here and one bolt here on the other side of this roof bracket. So we got to disassemble a little bit before we can get it all set. Now this is going to come off pretty easy. You can see we have these bolts here. I'm just going to loosen those, take this entire bracket out. But before we do that, I'm going to come around with a Sharpie. We're just going to mark here. You won't be able to see this from the ground, but it'll help us make sure this goes back in the same spot. Okay, and you can see now this is loose. I'll go do that on the other side. And while I'm here, I'm also going to get this bracket. All right, I'll hop around to the other side, loosen that back bracket. There we go. Apparently these have to come all the way out. There we go. There's probably a right way to do that. It doesn't include just bypassing it, but works for me. You just want to be really careful you're not scratching stuff here. Okay, now with those out of the way, we have these carriage style bolts. What they do is they go in the track like this and just slide down. And again, to do this, at least in my application, I'm just having to get one on either side of that bracket we just took out, put the bracket back on, and then one of these on each side on the other side of the bracket as well. Put the bracket back on. I don't know exactly where this is going to need to go. So for right now, I'm going to leave it. Just push it somewhere in the middle. I'm going to put one more of these carriage bolts on this side and one more on that side. And I'll go grab the brackets. Now this bracket is going to sit like this on the van. So those max Trax follow the contour of the van. So just got a bolt here. And we've got a washer and nut we'll throw on. And of course, although everything on the van is in metric, this is in standard. This is a half inch nut. I'm not gonna get it too tight because we're gonna have to loosen all this stuff to get it in position, but just enough to keep it from hitting the van here. Perfect. Okay, so what we're gonna do with this bolt on the back side is we have this support bracket, slot side down, so we have as much flexibility as possible. We'll add a washer and a nut there. Again, that's a half inch. Not trying to get it crazy tight yet, just trying to get it in position. Okay, and then the back bracket just connects to the front bracket using a bolt on top. Comes with two sizes here in the kit, a long and a short. I'm going for the longer one. The short one just seemed a little bit too short and wouldn't have enough threads. Let's get this started. It's good for right now. Everything's in place. We'll do that on the other side, but you don't have to watch that. Okay, so next up we have to install these pins in the actual bracket. These are what hold the max Trax to these brackets. This goes through, not on the back, so I'll be back in a bit. All right, so with all our pins in place, now we're gonna throw one of these boards up here and use that to figure out our spacing on these brackets. Okay, you can see we have one in here. Get the spacing right. That looks about right. So now I'll go back through and now I will tighten all of this mounting hardware and get the other one up here. I'm gonna take this off, retighten everything back down, and I'll show you what it looks like with both on. There we go. Both boards installed, all tightened down, ready to go. All right, we are just a few weeks away from Tayega. If you want to see more upgrades like this to the van, or you want to follow along for that adventure, click here to see one of my earlier videos. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.